All right, in the last video, we talked about solving by substitution, and we are going to just finish up these notes, solving by substitution. Only this time we've got fractions. All right, so 1/2 x plus 1/3 y is equal to negative 1/3. 1/2 x plus 2y is equal to negative 2. Best way to do this, absolute best way, is to eliminate the fractions first. This would be a very difficult problem to do if you kept the fractions in the problem. So if you recall, to eliminate fractions, we look for the least common multiple of the denominators. In this case, that would be 6. So I am going to multiply by 6. It's really important that you know how to do this right here to eliminate the fractions. And this one, I'm going to multiply by 2. So now I have, remember, divide by the bottom, multiply the top. Okay, divide by the bottom. All right, so rather than working with all these fractions, this is the system that we're going to work with, okay? So it looks like this bottom equation, I can solve for x by subtracting 4y. So that gives me x is equal to negative 4y minus 4. I'm going to substitute that into my first equation. So I'm going to go over here, negative 4y minus 4 plus 2y is equal to negative 2. So I just substituted in for x. Distribute. Combine like terms. I'm going to add 12. And divide by negative 10. So I get y is equal to negative 1. Okay, now I'm going to take this and I'm going to substitute. Technically, I should substitute into one of the originals, but I'm going to substitute into one of these just because. So it looks like this bottom equation right here. Plus 4, my y is negative 1. I'm going to add 4. And I get x is equal to 0. Now, be careful with this. I have a lot of students that see this 0 and think that means there's no solution or something of that nature. No, you only have no solution or infinitely many solutions when the x's actually disappear. Instead of 1x equals 0, it would be no x's. 0 is equal to 0. When there's actually no variable in the problem, they all cancel out. In a similar manner, we can do these problems where they have decimals. So we count up the number of decimal places. In this case, we've got 1, so I'm going to multiply by 10. And I've got 1 decimal place, so this one I'm also going to multiply by 10. So my new problem would be 12x plus 2y is equal to negative 10. And 3x plus y is equal to 1. So it's looking like the second equation, if I solve for y is equal to negative 3x plus 1, and I'll take this and substitute into my other equation. So over here, 12x, 2 times my y, which I'm going to use my negative 3x plus 1, is equal to negative 10. Right, and we're going to distribute. And combine like terms. And subtract 2. And divide by 6. So that gives me my x value. And to find my y value, I think I'll substitute in here. Oops, hold on. We got negative 6 plus y. And we add 6. And I'm getting 7. All right.